In this video, we'll show you how to adjust the permissions for a mailbox. The two main permissions that we deal with are send as and full access. To get to these permissions, you'll log in to the control panel, and once you're logged in, you'll click on the Hosted Organizations button, select your organization from the list, and then click on Mailboxes. You'll find the mailbox that you want to adjust the permissions for and click on it from the list, and click on the Permissions tab. Once here, you'll be able to adjust both send as and full access permissions. To add the ability for another user to send as this particular mailbox, you'll click Add and then choose the users from the list. So let's add MB2 for instance, and click Add Accounts, and then click Save. Now that will allow the user that's responsible for MB2's mailbox to send as if they were sending from John Doe's mailbox. Similarly, if we click Add under Full Access, we can add full access permissions. And now the user MB2 will be able to view with full access privileges John Doe's mailbox. And we click Save Changes to save those changes, and that's it.